Hello traders, I have prepared a number of expert advisors in series. So in this time today I am going to explain next expert advisor which is very powerful and back tested profitable. So it is advisable always to consider the any expert advisors after proper back testing and being satisfied themselves. So I will explain and show you each and everything about this expert advisor. This is the Tokyo session RangeBreak USDJPY sniper version 1. So let's go to our computer and screen, see the exact formulas, actions and backtest reports and how it is optimizable. I have opened my screen and show you the expert advisor, its setting, inputs, optimizations, graph and results. So let's go to start first. Here you see what I have the setting. This is the expert advisor, Tokyo session RangeBreak USDJPY sniper. This is the script USDJPY, time frame 15 minutes, period 1 August 21 to 31 July 2026, total 5 years. This is the back test of 5 years. And this is the deposit amount, $100,000. Now I am going to start its back testing. This is the start button. I have started it. It will take a time of 10 minutes to complete its complete back testing. So we shall see its graph here and optimization result. This is the agent and this is the general going on. Till the back testing become active. Yes, it is active and back test started. First from open, its drawdown become 10%. So it is very clear that the expert advisor works differently in different time frame, different stocks or pairs. This is the graph starting from August 21. This is Tokyo session range breakout USDJPY expert. This is the overview. And I have back tested and loaded here the results. Amazing. This is the 2,24,000 net profit. This is the deposit amount $100,000. This is the net profit 2,24,923. This is the profit factor which is very valuable, and if the profit factor is more than 1.15, then that expert advisor is working, but it should be considered also profit bin rate. So this is the bin rate 42%. Bin rate 42%. And amazing one thing that drawdown. So drawdown is 19%. This is in our favor. Expected payoff 175. Recovery factor 3.19. Total trades 1280. During these 5 years there were total trades 1280. So you can see many things. Consecutive profits there were $24,000 and consecutive losses 23,605. 2. So this is all about the result. You are seeing the chart during which period, days, month, the performance of the expert advisor. So I will explain how it is working. So you see, this is the Monday. Profit loss were mostly equal, but something a little profit more. Tuesday not profitable. Wednesday profitable. Thursday profitable. Friday profitable. And January not profitable. February equal. March profitable. Like this. This is the performance. I have explained about the inputs settings, that this is the expert advisor, this is the USDJPY. First you backtest it in the pair of that forex USDJPY. Keep the custom period what I have here. Also put time frame 15 minutes, delay 100 seconds, every tick based on real tick. Put the deposit amount $100,000 and start back testing. You will get same result of this expert advisor anywhere by any persons at any time. I am going to publish it today. Let's go to our graph. Here you are seeing that the profit reached more than 90,452. Its drawdown and continuation will be continue till 31st July 2026.
looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs, word is going, see me shine. Fighting for my soul's sake, whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste. Now that I've been wide awake, Luke's trying to pull me back.